Today we're going to make this amazing game only using Python, so let's start coding. Firstly, import random function. Next, import GameWin function and create two competitors comp and U. And now most vital step, we use if-else function multiple time, if computer and you chose the same then return none, but when chose different then we use first elif and under this elif we use another if-else and use this for 3 times to get stone paper and sizer game output. Create a variable to get random number between 1, 2, and 3. 1 is for S means stone, 2 is for P means paper, and 3 is for Z means sizer. Get some input value from user between S, P, Z. And again use GameWin function. Print users and computers chosen word. This the final step. If else function returns none then print match is tie, if returns true then print you won, and if not then print you lose. And now, that's the time to see the result. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.